Hello everyone, welcome back to our Stata tutorial series. In this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to transform a variable by replacing its values. So with the examples that I give you, it becomes easier to you. So I have a variable called developed, which means that it's a categorical variable with two types of categories. Here you can see 0 means that they are less developed countries, and 1 means that 204 observations, all they belong to developed countries. So the total observations 903. So now I want just the opposite of these, meaning that I want to create a variable called less developed, so that 1 means 699 observations which are all less developed, and 0 therefore would be for 204. So just the opposite, and create that variable so that that variable represents less developed countries. So I'm going to do that. First, generate a variable called we'll name it less developed or ill developed. Okay, and dot. So create that variable first. Okay, so we created a variable less developed. Now we'll replace the value. If you look at this variable going here, you'll see only dot. Okay, so all dots. So we created dots, but now we'll replace the value. So replace ill developed equals 1 minus developed. So if you subtract it from 1, so that just changes it to the opposite. So, and hit enter. Variable ill, so we missed D. Yeah, okay. So now we replace the value. If you look at this variable ill developed, so all ones, and then 0 means, now 0 means developed countries. So that will be opposite to 0 here is a developed country, Australia. So if you look at developed, that would be 1. So 1 representing developed countries in developed variable, and in less developed variable, L developed variable, 0 representing the developed country. So if you go to the tab and L developed again, L developed, now you see here, you see 1 is for 204 observations, which means all they are developed countries observations. Now 1 is for 699 observations, which is for the less developed country observations. So now we created a new variable, so that we have a new variable that represents where 1 represents less developed countries and 0 represents developed countries. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.